Sofrito is the base of a lot of Latin dishes. It's basically the mirepoix of Latin America. And I'm gonna show you how to make the Costa Rican version in this video. I do wanna add that every culture, every country has its own version of making sofrito, and they're all perfect. They're all delicious. I don't want you to think you're not doing things right just because yours look completely different than mine. Let's get started.
I stand here calling at your door, yeah, I'm yours.
To start with, we chopped our vegetables. If you want to do it in the food processor, that's completely fine. But we actually like the pieces of the vegetables medium size, somewhere you can see them. And continue chopping. If you would also like to add a green pepper, yellow pepper, even purple pepper, you can do that. If you think your pieces are a little bit too big, just mince them a little bit until you reach the desired size.
And now I stand here calling at your door, oh, now
Sofrito is the base of a lot of dishes in Latin American cuisine. This one is the Costa Rican version. Every country, each country has a different version. Some of them will add tomatoes, others will add carrots and other ingredients. But basically, we all share the same ingredients, which is onions, celery, and garlic. After that, each country will add its different style. Next one is the celery. Wash it pretty well. Before you start chopping, I like to get rid of all the corners. I kind of don't like those, but that's a personal preference. And then I'm going to slice them in half. And then in half again. And last one will be the garlic. Okay, there you go. See if you can smash it a little bit more. There you go. It's my workout of the day. Bring the pan where you're gonna cook. Set the temperature at medium and wait for this to warm up. Once it's warm, I'm gonna add the onion. Then add the bell peppers and the celery. We're not gonna add the garlic yet. And this seems like a lot, but it's not. Remember that all these vegetables are going to shrink once they're cooked. And so it's just gonna fit perfect on this pan. Plus that's it. We don't have more ingredients to add, so. And I'm gonna add the oil. And we're just gonna start cooking this thing. Because this is a lot, it might take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. If you're not making this much, it might take less time. I want to show you this. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes, but look at all the juice that, especially the onion, released while it was cooking. Please don't get rid of that. That has a lot of flavor. If you want to reduce this, which we will do, just increase the temperature. You might have more broth or this juice than me, especially if you chop it in the food processor. That's why I advise you to do the pulse. Then let it spin for a couple seconds, let it cool off, and then repeat. Because if you do it at high speed, you're just gonna get a juice, literally. And you're gonna have more juice than me. I'm gonna cook for about 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes since I started. There's no more juice. There's no more broth. So we're good. This is where we add the garlic. Be stirred one more time. I don't see a need for me to add more oil, but if you do, then go ahead and add just a little bit. I'm gonna cook this for 2 more minutes. I don't want to burn my garlic. I cooked it for about 20 minutes total. Please go make some rice, some lentils, some soups, other deliciousness with this sofrito. And also you can put it in the fridge and it can stay up to 2 weeks over there. Nothing's gonna happen. Mine won't last more than that because I used it in any recipe that I make. In this channel, I share Costa Rican recipes. If this is your first time over here, I'm gonna remind you to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any other delicious recipes like this one. If there is a recipe that you would like to see here in the channel, please leave it in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.